If you want to log into your eFootball account, it's very easy. Now once you launch the game, it will come on the home screen here. Now tap on Extras and then tap on Support. Select Link Data. Now you have two options. You can either link using Google Play or link using KONAMI ID. Now for this case, I'm going to show you using KONAMI ID. So tap here on KONAMI ID and then it will open to the browser. Now, since you want to log into your account, make sure to read this very carefully. Now scroll down, select Next. Now here you'll have to input your details. So input KONAMI ID or email address. So if you've registered an account, make sure to provide here the email address and then tap Login to log into your account. If you don't have an account, you can scroll down. You should see an option here which says don't have a KONAMI ID, just select Register. Now once you're logged into your account, you'll be redirected back into the game. And the link KONAMI ID should be checkmarked here, showing that you have already linked your account to the KONAMI ID. Alternatively, you can tap here on link using Google Play to link your game to the Google Play Store.